This video is on simplifying radical expressions. The first thing you would do is to factor anything that can be factored, then line up each number or variable with the same bases. 32 would become 2 to the 5th. You can also write 2 as 2 to the 1st. Make sure you line it up with 2 to the 5th on the top because they have the same bases. And line up y to the 3rd with y to the 3rd on top. The next step is to subtract the exponents if they have the same bases. 2 to the 5th minus 2 to the 1st would become, or divided by 2 to the 1st would become 2 to the 4th because you would subtract the exponents. Y to the 3rd divided by y to the 3rd would be 0, which is also equal to 1, so it disappears. Because the index and the exponent of 2 are the same, 2 can be left out of the radical. Now you need to divide x to the 5th to the power of 4, which will give you x to the 1st times x to the 1/4. X to the 1st can be left out of the radical, so you would write 2x, and then x to the 1/4 would go under the radical as the 4th root of x. So your final answer would be 2x times the 4th root of x.